Hello everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is Anjana.
Ashika.
Acha, this is Ashika.
This is Ashika.
I am feeling
I am feeling
happy
happy
and high
and high
with you all.
with you all.
With you all.
With you all.
Really,
Really,
it is my pleasure
it is my pleasure
to be
to be
with you all.
with you all.
You know,
You know,
I am here
I am here
to discuss
to discuss
about
about
happiness.
happiness.
Everybody
Everybody
wants to live happy.
want to
Live happy. But
but
they don't know
did not know
the secret of
the secret of
happiness.
happiness.
You know
You know
what is happiness?
what is happiness?
Happiness is your choice.
Happiness is choice.
Happiness is your choice.
Happiness is your choice.
If you want to live happy, if you want to live happy,
If you want to
live happy,
live happy,
nobody
nobody
can stop you.
can stop you.
Nobody
Nobody
can hurt you.
can hurt you.
Buddha
Buddha
has said,
has said.
Buddha
Buddha
has said,
has said.
nobody
Nobody
can hurt you
can hurt you
until
until
you allow them
you allow them
to hurt you.
to hurt it.
Problems
Problem
is not a problem.
is not this problem.
Problem
Is
not a problem.
not the problem.
Problem
Problem
is a challenge.
is the challenge.
Take it
Take it
as a challenge.
as a challenge.
Take it
Take it
as a challenge.
as a challenge.
Because
Because
problem comes in your life,
come to your life.
comes in your life,
Come to your life.
not to
Not to
break you,
break you.
not to
Not to
make you
make you
feel
feel
low,
low.
not to
Not to
make you
make you
feel
feel
unhappy.
unhappy.
It comes in your
It
life
comes to your life
to make
to
you
make you
strong,
strong.
to make you
To make you
happy,
happy.
to taste you.
To take you.
Just
Just
take the problem,
take the problem.
take the problem
Take the problem
as a challenge,
as the challenge.
as a challenge,
As the challenge.
and
And
look the solution.
look the solution.
You are
You are
walking
walking
on the stage
on
of
the stage on
happiness.
happiness.
Do you know, my dear?
Do you
Do you know, my dear?
do you know, my dear?
There was
There was
a wise man
a wise man
in a village.
in a village.
He was
He was
speaking.
speaking.
He was giving
Giving
answer of
answer of
all the questions.
all the questions.
Once
Once
a man
a man
went to him
went to him
and asked,
and asked,
"What is the
"What is that
secret
secret
of happiness?
of happiness?
Of happiness?"
Of happiness?"
He replied,
He replied,
"My dear,
"My dear,
please
please
come with me."
come with me."
And they started
started
walking.
walking.
They went in the forest.
The wind is forest.
They went in the forest.
The wind in the forest.
They saw
They saw
there was
there was
a stone.
a stone.
And he replied,
And
he replied,
that man,
please
please
lift
lift
this stone.
this stone.
That man
That man
lifted that stone, lifted
lifted
that stone
then that stone
and started
walking.
And
And
where he walked,
when he walked,
he said
he said
to
to
that wise man,
that wise man,
I am feeling
"I feel
hot.
hurt.
It is hurting me.
It is hurting me.
I can't carry.
I can't carry.
I can't
I
carry.
can't carry.
It is too
It
heavy
is too heavy
to carry."
to carry."
That wise man
That wise man
said,
said,
please,
"Please,
please,
please,
some more steps,
Just-
some more steps,
some more stage,
some more steps.
some more stage."
They started
They
walking.
started walking.
They started walking.
They started walking.
Again,
Again,
he said,
he said,
I can't.
"I can't.
It is hurting.
It is hurting.
It is painful.
It is painful.
It is painful.
It is painful.
It is painful."
It is painful."
That wise
That
man
wise man
replied and said, please
"Please,
throw these.
throw it."
That man
That man
threw that stone, threw that stone
threw that stone
and
and
took a
took a
relief breath.
relief
Relief breath.
relief blade.
Relief breath.
Relief blade.
That wise man
That wise man
said
said
same thing
same thing
happens
happened
in our life.
in your life.
When the problems
When
come,
the problem
don't carry it.
don't carry,
Throw it
throw it
at the same
at the
time.
same time.
At the same
At
time.
the same time.
Or
All
whenever
whenever
you get a chance,
you get a chance,
just throw it.
just throw it.
If you carry the
If you
problem,
carry the problem,
it will hurt you.
you hurt you.
It will hurt you.
It will hurt you.
It will hurt you.
It will hurt you.
So
So
throw it
throw it
at the same
at
time.
the same time.
Whenever
Whenever
you get a time,
you
get a time.
you get a time,
Just throw it.
just throw it.
Don't cry.
Don't cry.
What you don't have,
What
you don't have.
you don't have.
Don't cry
Don't cry.
that you don't have money.
That is don't cry.
Don't have money.
Don't have money.
Don't cry.
Don't cry.
You don't have bungalow.
You don't have bangla.
Do you know?
Do you know?
Shakespeare
Shakespeare
once
once
he was
he was
crying
crying
a lot.
alone.
He was cursing
He was cursing
for his son.
for his son.
He had
He had
no shoes.
no shoes.
He had
He had
no shoes.
no shoes.
He was crying for
He
the
was
shoes.
crying for so.
When
When
he went out,
he went out,
went out,
went out,
he saw
he saw
there was a man.
there was a man.
He had
He had
no legs.
no legs.
He was happy,
He was happy,
smiling.
smiling.
He was singing.
He was singing.
He was singing
He was singing
and celebrating
and celebrating
every moment
every moment
what
he had
received
received
from
from
God,
God,
Allah.
Allah,
And he was
and he was
paying his thanks
paying his thanks
to universe.
to universe.
He was not cursing.
He was
Not cursing.
not cursing.
So my dear
So
friends,
my dear friend,
don't
don't
be
be
unhappy
unhappy
for what
for what
you don't have.
you don't have.
There are many people
There are many people
around you.
around you.
They are
They are
in the worst condition.
they
In
are
the worst condition. In the worst
in the worst condition.
So you are
So you are
lucky.
lucky.
So
So
be grateful.
be grateful.
Be grateful
Be grateful
for the
for
universe
universe
what
what
he has
he has
given you.
given you.
So my dear,
So my dear,
be happy
be happy
and
and
make the world
make the world
happy.
happy.
World needs you.
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 Needs you.
World needs you.
World is
World is
waiting for your smile.
waiting for a smile.
Waiting for your smile.
Waiting for your smile.
So
So
spread your smile. Spread your smile
place your smile
in the world
in world
and make the world
and make the world
beautiful
beautiful
with your smile.
with your smile.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All the beautiful
All the beautiful
and smart people.
and smart people.